Okay, so you are an IP person, you have an IP matter before you, and you want to simplify your work. You want to research, you want to understand this matter that you have. At Wansom, we have an IP law associate for you. So, what does an IP law associate do? An IP law associate is basically tailored to answer questions for you regarding intellectual property law in Kenya. So, the IP associate, based on how you want to research or how we have trained the IP associate, is that first of all, the knowledge base of this associate is on the Kenyan IP law that we have. So we have the Copyright Act, we have the Industrial Property Act, the Trademark Act, and all that. So if you want to research using the IP associate, that is the knowledge base that this associate is going to draw from. The associate can also draw from web sources by your instructions. So the IP associate is there basically to help you with research, to understand the matter that you have, right? Is this a copyright issue question? Is this a trademark question? And what does the Kenyan law say about the copyright, this matter? Is there a copyright infringement here? Is there a trademark infringement here? Maybe your client is wondering, how do I register my trademark? How do I patent this creation that I have? How do I do that in Kenya? You know, a lot of people are not aware that they can trademark their names, they can trademark their business names, they can trademark a lot of their creations. A lot of people are not aware that their creations are even copyright protected. Many people also don't know that because you've created probably a unique software or an industrial project, people don't know that they can patent it. They don't know how long they can patent it and all that. And for you as an IP specialist or an IP practitioner, all this knowledge, while you are aware of it, a lot of times because of other things, it may be inaweza kupita kidogo. So the IP associate is there to assist you, to remind you, this is what the Copyright Act says, this is what the Trademark Act, this is how they're going to register the trademark. How can I send a notice of infringement to a party that is infringing on my client's copyright or infringing on my client's trademark? Yeah, you do not immediately rush to court. You have to send a letter, notify these people that you know you're in fact infringing on this copyright, infringing on this trademark. Could you a notice takedown? Yeah, how do you issue a notice takedown of a video of someone that is probably using unauthorized music, somebody using somebody's logo in their videos, in their photographs, you know, on their yes, exactly, in their TikToks and whatever. So you have to issue those notices. How do you do all that? So that is what the IP associate is trained to do. Everything intellectual property, anything, any question that your client may have, even you yourself, yeah, you're wondering, you know, I would like to venture into an intellectual property, to become an intellectual property practitioner in Kenya or even beyond. Yeah, the IP associate is there to assist you with all this research and all this information. Even when it comes to drafting, you want to draft a case, probably you've decided to take a copyright infringement or a trademark infringement, even a patent infringement, trade secret, all those matters you want to take them to court after a notice of takedown or a notice that you had issued has not been taken seriously. The IP associate is there to draft for you, and it is going to be specifically tailored to whatever issue your client has, or even a question you yourself as an advocate you have. So kindly feel free to try the IP associate at Wansom and let us know, is the IP associate appropriate for you? Train it yourself however you work, however you feel you want. And also, if you do not want to train one, we have one pre-made already by Wansom. Thank you.